Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Right now, there is a conundrum in Rivers State about the status of the Rivers State lawmakers who in December 2023 defected from the All Progressive Congress, defected from the People's Democratic Party, the party that brought them to power, to the All Progressive Congress. Now, perhaps apparently understanding that they goofed, a court in Rivers State has now ruled that they are still members of the People's Democratic Party. That is one of the conundrum that is raging now in Rivers State. And people are wondering what is going on. Because Rivers State High Court has said that Martis Amehule and the other 26 lawmakers who we all saw brandishing their new identity, that they are no longer in PDP, that they are now in APC. The court is now saying that they are still members of the PDP. Now, delivering judgment on Monday, Justice Okobule Basa of the Rivers State High Court heard that those who are saying that the claimant failed to prove that Amehule and other lawmakers defected to the APC. Can you imagine that? But that is that's why they say the law itself is an ass. Justice Bassam said that there is no proof. Those who are saying that these lawmakers defected from PDP to APC, that they couldn't provide any proof that they defected. Justice Abasan held that the membership of a party is only proven by being listed in the party's register. And the court said that from what they observed, they said that being a registered member or having a card, being a card carrying member is the only proof that you're a member of a party. Which means apparently, since they moved to APC, their names are not in the register. But you and I know that APC had welcomed them. Even the caretaker committee chairman, Okocha, have been saying that they are their party members. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has welcomed them. During the negotiation for peace, where they reached 8-point resolution on the River State crisis, he welcomed them as an addition to the APC. But the court is telling us now, it's telling Nigerians, and indeed the world, that these people are still members of the PDP. And the court went on to say that television ceremonies or verbal statements were not enough to show same. That to show that you have defected, that you are no longer a member of a party. So this Justice Bassam further held that the Rivers State government is bound to obey all the laws passed by the Assembly, as they are the duly elected lawmakers of Rivers State, and that they are members of the PDP, and that their names are still in PDP's membership register. Now, he further posited that the state government is bound by the laws made by the assembly, as they are still members of the PDP. As such, haven't vacated their seat. So their seats remain for them. That's what this ruling is saying. People were shocked when this matter came up, that this is the latest development. Of course, understanding the implication of that, because don't forget that the previous court had said that these people have vacated their seats. So all the laws they made, including extending the tenure of local government chairmen, cannot stand. That was what the court said previously. Now this other court is saying they are still members of the PDP. They have not defected. There is no proof that their name is in the register in APC, because their name is still in the register of PDP. To counter this development, the Rivers State Commissioner for Justice and Attorney General of the state, Dagogo Iborema, a senior advocate of Nigeria, now he refuted the reports that a high court in Port Harcourt had affirmed Martin Samehule and 26 others as members of the PDP and still members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Now, at a press conference in Port Harcourt, Iborema clarified that the suit numbered DHC/20/CS/204 did not seek to declare their seat vacant. Now, the summary of what the Attorney General of Rivers State said is that these people have defected. Already, Amehule and Co. had gone to court in Abuja. In a sworn affidavit, they said in the affidavit, according to the Attorney General, that they have defected. So what further evidence do you need if somebody had gone to swear an affidavit, allegedly, according to the Attorney General, that they have sworn an affidavit that they have defected? That they have defected in an Abuja court. Now, according to the Attorney General of Rivers State, the defection is documented in an affidavit deposed to by Amehule, that the embattled speaker, by Amehule for himself and his colleagues in suit number FHC/ABJ/1681/CS/2023 before Justice Donatus Okorowo of the Federal High Court in Abuja. So these people have sworn an affidavit. For you to swear an affidavit, you are saying that this is the truth of the matter. You are stating the facts. You can't swear an affidavit that you have left a political party, and then they say that they don't know that you have left. There's no proof that you have left. Now, the Rivers State Attorney General explained that the suit which documented Amehule's affidavit is still pending in the Federal High Court in Abuja. And he argued that according to section 2723 of the 1999 Constitution, only the Federal High Court has the authority to determine whether the lawmakers are still members of the PDP or the Rivers State House of Assembly. And he maintained that there is a subsisting order of interlocutory injunction in suit number PHC 1512/CS/2024 restraining Martins Amehule and his 26 colleagues from acting as lawmakers in Rivers State, pending the determination of the substantive suit, which he said had not been appealed against. So the question now becomes, what is really going on with our judiciary in this Nigeria? With all the confusion, the Attorney General of Rivers State is now saying that has urged the public to disregard the report that Martins Amehule and 26 others have been validated as members of the PDP and as well as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. So you can see the confusion being created. But what is obvious now is that the Pro-Wike backed lawmakers, it has become obvious to them that they know that they goofed when they defected from the APC, from the PDP to the APC. Because under section 109 1G of the 1999 Constitution, when you defect and there is no problem within your party, within the party that gave you the platform to contest the election in the first place, you lose your seat. Several senior advocates of Nigeria, learned Sikhs, they have said it, that these guys have lost their seat. Apparently, like the prodigal son, they came to themselves, and now they want to show that they didn't defect. In other words, they can eat their cake and have it. It is good that the Attorney General of the state has intervened into the matter to bring some clarity, because right now there's a conundrum on what is really going on in Rivers State right now in terms of the lawmakers. But I think the clarity had been given by the Attorney General of Rivers State. Let us take his own words that he is the one that is right based on the facts that he has presented. In terms of these people having gone to Abuja to swear an affidavit that they have defected, I think that should take care of everything, whether they have formally registered or not in their new party. It shouldn't be anybody's business. They have sworn an affidavit. It's just like swearing an affidavit that you are so and so, you lost your certificate or you lost a document. It is believed to be true. So that affidavit they swore, I think, is one of the strongest defense that the Attorney General of Rivers State has, and I think it makes a lot of sense. We hope that this matter is amicably dispensed with, so that Fubara and the Rivers people can be allowed to do the needful to move that state forward. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.